February 6th, and as you can tell, it's wintertime, and this is how everything looks in the winter. I have lots of work to do, as you can see. Well, let's go way over here and do this walk. We'll do the front yard, and then we'll do the backyard. Here's the lemon tree over here. And you saw the magnolia to the right. Well, this is how it looks in the wintertime. It's always been cold recently. We had one snow, but it wasn't very much. Here's that new pear tree that I planted. There's the front of the house. There's the Japanese maple. And there's the old pear tree in the background, which we cut down. And yep, there's cars in the garage. We're covering, I forget what this is up on the front left, but I'm getting tired of uncovering it, covering it, covering it, uncovering it. And there's the Japanese maple. Sun's out, as you can tell. We've cut down the camellia bush a little bit. We got still more work to do on that. And Charlotte gave me the okay last night. When it starts blooming, I can start pruning all these crepe myrtles back down to a workable size. And let's turn, yes, there's the air conditioning unit, and then that's looking back at the front yard. So that's the front yard. So I moved to the backyard. This is the rose area. As you can see, that's how the roses are right now in early February, February 6th. And yep, we still have kale down there too. And as I walk through here, here's the red tips on the left-hand side. I keep them at this, maintaining this height that they're at. Yep, there's the big magnolia for the backyard. I'll try not fall. Down here. And let's look back up to the house and try to avoid snakes or any. Whoa. See, that is a very big magnolia. Oh my gosh. That's a holly tree right next to the bird house. And then here's the back of the fence. And I think that I'm gonna go out the fence real quick to show you what I've been working on. Well, one of the things I did back here was I bumped everything back about 5 feet from the fence. Trying my best. And I'm trying to remove the dead limbs. See, there's a little creek back in here. I'm cleaning this out. You see the back goes that way. I'll get this cleaned up. Go back through the backyard. Whoop, slipped. Leaves on the ground, that happens. Can slip. And then we'll walk up this little pathway by the bird house. And then there's where the 2 peach trees used to be. The dogwoods and the, I can't think of that other tree. I just drew a total blank. Jeez. And there's the little house. There's a holly right next to it. And that's about it. Well, no, I need to go over to the other side of the house, but here's that little, actually Charlotte put this together, the wood thing. And let's go down here, and we've got all the garlic is coming out rather nicely. Go back and look over here towards the back fence. Pretty bright out today. It's supposed to go up to 50 degrees. It was 25 degrees last night. And here's the sticks and everything that I've been creating from behind the fence. Helps in the solo. I'll show that in a minute. We're feeding the birds, so I need to move. And here we come to the back side. There's the hydrangea. It'll come back. There's some garlic over here to the left. There's the wild azalea bush, and more kale back in here. And then we'll look one more time back. And that's it for now. Thanks for visiting with us.